Well, the IPO market is all set to see another buzzing week as Paras Defence and Space Technologies IPO will hit the primary market on September 21st. And here's all you need to know before subscribing to this new entrant. First up, let us talk about the IPO details. Now, the company is aiming to raise about 170 odd crore rupees through this upcoming public issue at the upper price band. And the issue will open on September 21st and will conclude on September 23rd. Now, the offering comprises of fresh issuance of shares worth about 120 odd crore rupees and an offer for sale of about 17.2 lakh equity stocks by promoters and existing shareholders, and that's according to the draft red herring prospectus or the DRHP. Now, the promoters, including Sharad Birji Shah and Munjal Sharad Shah, will sell their shares in the offer. Also, individual selling shareholders will include such as Munjal Shah, Shilpa Amit Mahajan and Amit Naveen Mahajan. Now, the company has fixed a price band at 165 to 175 rupees per share for this upcoming issue. Paras Defence and Space Technologies is engaged in the designing, developing, manufacturing and the testing of a wide range of defence and space engineered products and solutions. Now, the company's business is highly dependent on the projects and also the programs undertaken by the central government and associated entities such as the defence public sector undertakings and government organizations which are involved in the space research as well. And now let's talk about the financials of the company. The company's total income was 149.05 crore rupees for the fiscal year ended March 31st of 2020 and 37.9 crore rupees for the 6-month period ended on September 30th of 2020. Now, its profit after tax was just about 19.65 crore rupees for the fiscal year ended March 31st of 2020, and it also incurred a loss of about 13.9 lakh rupees for the 6-month period ended on September 30th of 2020. So what is in it for investors in this company? Well, Paras Defence has a reserved 50% of the issue for qualified institutional buyers. The company also has reserved 35% for retail investors like you and me, and the remaining 15% for the non-institutional investors of the entire issue. Now, how will Paras Defence really utilize the funds that it will raise via this issue? The company is planning to invest fresh funds to meet the capital expenditure requirements. The proceeds will also be used to support the incremental working capital needs and also for the repayment or prepayment of the loans availed by the company so far. So what factors will fluctuate Paras Defence and Space Technologies share prices going forward? Well, just like how we talked about, the company is highly dependent on the projects and programs that are provided by the central government. So Defence Ministry and also associated entities such as the Defence Public Sector Undertakings and other organizations. So any kind of orders from the government will be extremely key to see what are the growth opportunities that the company has going forward. So this is all that you needed to know about Paras Defence before taking a decision to subscribe to this issue.